Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to find watch history in Netflix and how to track what you have watched. So it's very simple. You have just to go to your Netflix app. And after that, go click on My Netflix. After that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Click on Account. Wait for a few seconds. And after that, go to Privacy and Data Settings. And as you can see here, you will find the second option, Viewing History. Click on it. And as you can see here, you will find all the TV shows that you have watched. And to remove any TV show or movie that you've watched, you have to click on the delete icon near to the movie name, like this. And as you can see, it will be removed from your Netflix account, watch history, and no longer it will be used for recommendation for you until you watched again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next